The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. It was shown at CES 2021. It's the world's first foldable laptop. Impressive build quality, built like a tank, absolutely military specs. Very robust hinge, gives you a lot of confidence while you're using it. It's when you unfold it, 13.3-inch OLED display. You know, it's not a performance-centric laptop, but that's not the main reason you would buy it. You would buy it because you want the world's first laptop. Let me tell you some user cases that I already can think of. By the way, it's not with me right now because the Gadget 360 team has just kind of wrestled it away and they're actually doing a lot of stuff with it. But I'll give you user cases that you could never have thought of before. So for instance, when it's actually closed, it's very small, very portable, looks absolutely fantastic. It's got a nice premium leather look outside. Open it up a little and you've got a, both sides screen and you can actually type on it. That's the best way to type because when you want a laptop, you want an actual keyboard. They give you a keyboard. And then when everything's done and you want entertainment, well, open it out, 13.3-inch full screen in front of you. I absolutely love it, but I have to tell you, it's expensive.
World's first folding laptop. How about that to begin this segment? Lenovo unveiled the ThinkPad X1 Fold at CES 2021, and while the CES this year was virtual, the hype this product created was real. So today on the show, we review perhaps the biggest innovation in personal computing we have seen in over a decade. Lenovo has left no stone unturned when it comes to the design of the X1 Fold. Yes, it does carry with itself the pedigree of its ThinkPad lineage, like the classic stamp and the all-black scheme. Rest, everything is new. Like the leather finish on the device, which makes it look like a hardbound book when folded. ThinkPads have been famous for their ruggedness, and the case is no different here. The build quality of the device is solid. Also weighing just about a kilogram, it's really easy to hold. Now, before we move forward, it's time to address the elephant in the room, that is, the foldable design. And believe it when we say this, Lenovo has far exceeded our expectations. Initially, we were skeptical of the form factor considering that it is a big display that is being folded. However, after interacting with the device, we can safely say that the execution done by Lenovo is seamless. Thanks to the very robust hinge, the fold and unfold operation is flawless. During our week-long testing, we kept switching between the flat-out tablet mode to that of a clamshell without any hesitation. Usually, foldable devices have an ugly crease line, but that's not the case on the X1 Fold. As amazing as this sounds, Lenovo had to make sacrifices to achieve this, the most visible of which is in the connectivity department. We get just 2 USB Type-C ports on the X1 Fold. Signing in the device, we are greeted with a massive 13.3-inch OLED display surrounded by thick bezels. Bright and vibrant, it was a delight to work on the X1 Fold. The foldable display produces rich images and crisp texts, which adds to the experience. A super responsive panel, the feedback time is fast and a user can seamlessly interact with it. Fortunately, the feedback time doesn't take a dip even in clamshell mode, and we actually enjoyed using the device like an all-screen laptop. The freedom of choosing the form factor also amplifies the experience of watching content. Retaining details of every shot, we had a ball watching our favorite TV shows on the device. To enhance productivity, Lenovo provides an active pen which does add to the convenience with its shortcuts. The sound setup on the X1 Fold is just about satisfactory. Now to the insides. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, which is just about decent, working on spreadsheets, writing documents, making PPTs, and other generic tasks were easily taken care of. The canvas-like design makes these usual tasks more wholesome, and we can appreciate that. That being said, working continuously on the X1 Fold does get tiring. After a while, a user starts to miss our good old laptops. At times, the blazing fast performance we wanted was lagging. As for storage, there is 512 GB of SSD memory on the X1 Fold. Lenovo provides a magnetic keyboard accessory with the X1 Fold for users who might miss their laptops. Connecting it via Bluetooth, we felt our output increase exponentially when we use this keyboard. Although we have to compromise on the size and backlit keys on it, but this again is a pretty smart piece of tech and works well. On the optics front, we get a 5 megapixel webcam, which is decent for video calls. The battery capacity of the X1 Fold is not its strongest point. The device lasts about 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. The battery life further dips by about 10% if you connect the keyboard. And with that, it's time for the verdict. Lenovo's attempt at making the world's first foldable laptop has worked out well. The X1 Fold, while still being a new kid on the block, outperformed our expectations. Crazy expensive at rupees 3,10,000, but then it is a world first and is also an incredible showcase of what the future holds. Strictly for those that buy products no one else has, those that want cutting edge products, and those that want world's first bragging rights right now.